Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at your homes. Welcome to School from Home. Today we are going to do our English poem The Squirrel. Open your English coursebook volume 1, page number 39. Write down today's date. The Squirrels. Let's begin. Squirrels are small but very intelligent. They talk by squeaking in different voices. Students, आपने भी अपने घर के आसपास squirrels देखी होंगी and you must have noticed that they make different voices. They can use their tails to send danger signals to other squirrels. Squirrels अपने टेल की हेल्प से अपने फ्रेंड को डेंजर सिग्नल्स भी दिखा सकती हैं. They can even pretend to bury food somewhere or fool other animals. और वो दूसरे एनिमल्स को फूल बनाने के लिए, बुद्धू बनाने के लिए अपने फूड को कहीं छुपा भी सकती हैं. Did you know that their hind legs, which means back legs, can twist around to let them run down trees without falling off? Squirrels की back legs twist हो सकती हैं, which help squirrels to run down faster without falling. No wonder the poet here loves this little animal. Now we will recite this poem and after that I will explain it to you.
Whisky, frisky, hippity hop, up he goes to the tree top. Whirly, twirly, round and round, down he scampers to the ground. Furly, curly, what a tail! Tall as a feather, broad as a sail. Where's his supper? In the shell. Snappy, cracky, out it fell.
Whisky, frisky, hippity hop, up he goes to the tree top, which means squirrels hop and go to the top of the tree. Whirly, twirly, round and round, down he scampers to the ground. And then, after reaching to the top of the tree, squirrel turns around and scampers to the ground, jumps on the ground. Furly, curly, what a tail! Tall as feather, broad as a snail. Which means squirrels have a tall tail like a feather and broad as a snail. Where's his supper? In the shell. Snappy, crackety, out it fell. It means, where is its dinner, its supper? Oh, it is in the shell. So it has to crack the shell to get the dinner. Now come to page number 41. Let's try one. Look at the pictures on page number 39 and 40 and then answer these questions. Question 1. Where is the squirrel climbing in the first picture? Look at this picture and tell me, where is the squirrel climbing? It is climbing on the tree. Question number 2. What is the squirrel doing in the second picture? Look at this picture. The squirrel is eating in this picture. Question number 3. How is the squirrel holding its supper? In this picture, the squirrel is holding its supper with both the hands. Now come to let's try 2 according to the poet. Number 1. The squirrel goes to the tree top, inside the tree trunk, onto a rooftop. So where does the squirrel goes? Yes, it goes to the tree top. So we will mark the correct answer A. Number 2. The squirrel's tail is tall as a snail, tall as a tree, tall as a feather. So the correct answer is tall as a feather. So we will mark it. Number 3. The squirrel's dinner goes into its tummy, goes to someone else, falls down. It falls down, So we will mark the correct answer C. Now come to let's try 3. Read the poem and write the following answers. Number 1. How does the poet describe the movement of squirrel as it goes up? It is described by using Whisky Frisky and Hippity Hop. Number 2. How does the squirrel come down? It comes down with whirly twirly and round movement. Number 3. How is the squirrel's tail described? The squirrel's tail is described as furly curly tail. This is all for today. If you don't have book or fair notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern. We will meet soon. Bye-bye.